So, ladies and gentlemen, today's launch is much more than just about visas. It is about how we can enable our country to move forward. It is about building a South Africa that welcomes the world with confidence, welcome the world efficiently, and welcomes the world knowing that our security and our sovereignty is intact. A South Africa that attracts investment, a South Africa that embraces innovation, and a South Africa that protects its borders while opening its doors to lawful travelers to our country. And it is a South Africa whose public institutions are demonstrating that they can be efficient, they can be modern, and they can be responsive. Now, this is the country that we are building, working together to build a country that shows elements of great efficiency and success. That we are a country that understands that economic growth requires both openness and security. That South Africa is determined to compete with the best in the world and even go beyond competing, show the rest of the world what we are capable of so that they can come and learn from us. Above all, that we are a country that is committed to creating jobs, expanding opportunity, and improving the lives of its own people. So let this launch of the ETA be remembered not simply as the introduction of a new digital system, but as another important milestone in our country's journey towards becoming a more modern and capable and competitive state.